What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, this is gonna be super short, less than a minute long, but you wanna learn how to loop your timeline in Premiere Pro while you're editing. As you can see, my playhead is going, and it's just gonna start over. That is not native inside of Premiere Pro, so how do we do it? It's really simple. There's a button right here under your feed called Loop Playback. Turn this off and it will stop at the end. Turn this on and it will play at the end. But on your timeline, you may not see that button. So how do you get it there? In your program monitor, so Window, Program. There's mine right here. Let's do the little plus icon right here, the button editor. And it has all these new buttons that we can turn on and bring into Premiere Pro. Here's the loop button. So as you can see, mine's not in there, and now it is. Drag it in. Now there's all these other buttons that you can kind of go through. We won't go through them today, but it's really cool. It's a really helpful tool to bring in extra tools onto your hotbar and make it more custom to you. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan the QR code on the screen.